This is there, and he's gonna climb up this hill and fucking. That's horrible. Put it that way. If you make it, dude, you're like Xena, the warrior princess.
Yeah, I like this. There's a snake in here.
Is there really?
Yeah.
A snake? What? No shit?
There's like a bunch of shit up here.
Nice.
Just show me my phone.
Watch on video?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go.
Let me come down there.
Okay. Good idea. There you go.
Hey, hey, if you want, I'm going up this hill. We're going to look at this better. Hey, we can do it. Oh, yeah, this tree's like broke, by the way. Should about came off. No.
Dude, that's bad. Look down. I mean down here. Damn. Oh shit, point up there. There's a little trail.
Yeah, we're going on this other trail.
How long was that video about?
Till I stop it. I guess. Spider. Well, you can see it. What? This trail took us to nowhere. Why didn't you go through there?
Fuck that. I don't know what the fuck we are.
I don't either.
My phone's ringing. Damn, look down now. That's a fucking dead fall. That's like 80 feet. Damn, you didn't even hit it.
I know, I about fell.
I'm going back down. Get my ass.
Woo, Cody! It's sexy, dude. Cody, wait. Well, this is our video. I'm Aaron.
I'm Cody.